Hi, this is Jonathan here in Hong Kong with Discourse, the all-in-one cryptocurrency and social media app of the future. We are here for another exciting edition of our weekly crypto news roundup. We have some exciting news out of Europe this week. The VP of the European Commission, in a speech this week, said that Europe is well positioned to take advantage of the blockchain market, as it is only gaining more global attraction, and that the EC should commit more investments and infrastructure into emerging blockchain technologies. He has asked the EU to commit to Europe's digital and database future, and has asked the EU and private European businesses to encourage blockchain development and invest more heavily in the tech sector. These comments come after the EU Blockchain Observatory and Forum has said 2 months ago that they will commit 300 million euros to blockchain-related projects in the future. Also in Europe this week, 22 European nations have just created a new blockchain partnership for exchanging blockchain technology information in an effort to avoid a fragmented approach to the fast-emerging sector. Countries included in this partnership are the UK, Germany, France, Spain, and the Netherlands, and all are working on ways to promote and implement blockchain applications across the EU. In England this week, the Bank of England has recently developed a new proof of concept looking at ways to use distributed ledger technology to maintain user privacy and regulate additional financial transactions within the banking system. They agree that more work needs to be done to ensure proper scalability, transaction speed, and risks, but they are looking positively towards a blockchain-backed future of the banking system. In other banking news, Bank of America filed a patent application for a new blockchain-based patent to implement a more secure banking system based on blockchain technologies. This new application would more securely store personal and business data, ensure complete access to records, and increase efficiency through combining all data storage systems into one location, thereby reducing the number of storage systems into a single digital ledger for easy and secure access. The credit card payment processing behemoth MasterCard announced this week that they will be hiring 175 more engineers, developers, and blockchain specialists in an effort to create a more efficient payment system. MasterCard has purportedly been toying with blockchain technologies for some time now, and they want to capitalize and commercialize these emerging technologies. They want to make business-to-business transactions more efficient. To this end, they have recently filed 2 blockchain patents. A new report released this week by Moody's says that blockchain applications can reduce time, money, and redundancies in the mortgage process, thus saving the mortgage industry over $1 billion. These savings will hopefully be passed on to homeowners. They say that these new technologies could streamline the loan process, increase transparency, and monitor loan performance, making the mortgage industry more cost-efficient through less human oversight. Ultimately, though, this application will not be implemented without regulation and oversight from the government, possibly mitigating any cost-effectiveness or streamlining that occurs. And out of Asia this week, the Chinese internet company Baidu has just launched a blockchain-based stock photo service providing stock images in what they say is an effort to protect intellectual property in China. This new platform timestamps each individual image with identification and other data to authenticate the originality of the image, thereby substantiating any allegations of intellectual property theft. This is a huge boon for photographers in a country notorious for IP theft. We here at Discourse are excited about all these new developments in blockchain as we continue to see more and more mainstream adoption of this new technology. Thanks for watching this week's edition of our Crypto News Roundup, and stay tuned next week for another exciting edition of our weekly news segments. And for more at Discourse, please visit our website, sign up for our sweepstakes, and follow us on social media. Thanks, and see you next week.